Hey everybody, good morning and welcome to a brand new vlog. This is another summer vlog, kind of like my life outside of school. Dixie wants to be part of the video. She's making noise in the background, of course. This morning I'm just getting ready to go for a run. So I try to do a run Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then I think I'm gonna try to do either biking or kayaking or hiking on those off days. I have been taking Dixie with me and she is getting better and better with hit or miss moments, I feel like. So here are some of my running essentials. I always wear my hat just to keep the sun out and I don't feel like dealing with sunglasses when I'm running. And then I have my wireless Bose speakers, or not speakers, headphones. These I love so much. My Yeti of water. I try to drink about 4 of these a day. During the summer, I don't keep my big jug with me since I can just fill it up with my water at home. So yeah, I've been trying to do 4 of these. My pre-workout, and then of course my phone to listen to music, and then I have the armband for my phone in the truck, and then my Apple Watch. Right now I have on Woody. I don't know if you saw him peek up here. There we go. There he is. And it's different Toy Story characters. I want to change it back to the flower because I've been seeing Toy Story characters for 3 weeks now. But it is funny. So anyway, yeah, my watch tracks, my run and all that good stuff. And then for shoes, I have been, I want to say the past 6 years or so now into Asics. I've been really enjoying them. They don't, I feel last long, but I mean, I don't know. I feel runners always have to replace their shoes or get insoles because they just get beat up so much. These are the GT 1000. I honestly usually get a pair that is on sale and has a ton of heel support and arch support. Those are the 2 things I look for, that chunky heel and a lot of arch support, because I get that plantar, I forget how to say the last word, plantar fasciitis or whatever, where your heel hurts really bad. So I need a lot of cushion and support back here. Vacuuming is done. I showered. Now it's time to get ready. I figured I would do my makeup at my desk today and watch some Southern Charm because I am seriously obsessed. I'm on season 4. Almost there. What are they on? Current season number 6, I think. Obsessed. The outfit that I picked out today is this adorable shirt from Target. It says wake up, hug, dog, and hustle. And I have on some light colored leggings. These are Gymshark's, which I used to love Gymshark leggings. Like, they were my jam. They fit so comfortably. But my black Gymshark leggings, like these ones, they're called the Flex leggings, have been ripping, and it's been making me really sad. So I don't know if I'm gonna get them anymore, because honestly, they're not cheap. And if I'm gonna get expensive leggings, like, I'm not gonna buy leggings that rip. So it is currently lunchtime, and I was gonna show you the burgers that I have been making all week, but I realized I threw out the package because I only had one more. So I will like insert it right here, what it looks like. But I get it from Aldi, but they have them like similar ones at Giant and stuff. It's the black bean chipotle burgers, and I'm not vegetarian. I love burgers, I love steaks, like I like chicken, all that stuff. But honestly, this burger is just really, really good. It's great too because I think the pack comes with 4 or 5, maybe even 6. I don't know, but like it's enough for the week. So I get them and I either put it on a bun. Today I'm gonna make a salad with it, and I'm gonna have a little cup of chicken corn soup because that's just, we made that for dinner a couple nights ago, and I have a ton left. And homemade chicken corn soup, like, you can't beat it in the summertime. So I'm gonna make my lunch, get this going, and then I still need to edit my vlog from the weekend and upload that today. So I need to get that done, and then I'm hoping I can finally head out. I need to run to Giant. We are making or trying to make pizza tonight on the grill. I saw it on Pinterest and I thought it'd be really fun. And then also I still want to go to the public library. It is currently almost 1 o'clock, so I need to get going. Dixie has been napping ever since our run on the couch. Like, she's just out, she's done. Here's the burger. Like, it doesn't look amazing, but I swear to you, it tastes so good. And you can see the bits of like beans and peppers and tomatoes in it. And since it's Chipotle, it has like a little kick to it too, which I really like. So like I said, I'm just gonna have this, my cup of soup, and then I'm just gonna make a little salad with some tomatoes and lettuce and kind of break that up for my salad. Hey guys, I just got to the library. I can't believe that I parked the truck in the city when I realized I had the truck. I don't know what I was thinking, but the library that I wanted to go to, the big one, is in the city, and I was like, oh my gosh, how am I going to park the truck in the city? But I actually did find street parking, and I could just like pull in and have to parallel park, and I'm right next to the library, so I locked out big time. However, they close at 5. If I had known that, I would have came here first and then edited my video afterwards, but it's fine, it's fine. So I'm gonna pay for parking, and then I'm going to head into the library for a little bit. It stinks I only have like, I don't know, 45 minutes. I wanna like spend a decent amount of time there. All right, I am going to head in before it starts raining harder. Something about a library, I just love it. I love public libraries. I don't even understand why I ever go to bookstores. I mean, I love bookstores, don't get me wrong, but books are expensive, and I love public libraries. Everyone's so nice in there. I love it. I met the nicest worker ever who helped me out. Like, just so sweet. I didn't have a lot of time to look around, so I couldn't like get a lot of books. Plus, I don't really need any books to read since I already have some, but I was looking more for like fun books to look through, but I didn't really have a lot of time, like I said, to look through it. So I'll show you what I grabbed though. The building for this library is really old, and so it's really, really interesting. Like, I love just buildings like that. I think it's really neat. They did just reopen, or not reopen, they did open a new library by me I want to check out as well and just see like which one I kind of like more. But I don't know, I love the like uniqueness and quirks and things of old buildings and structures and stuff like that. Like even our house that we rent is really old, and just like even the fixtures of like the doorknobs and stuff like that, like it's just so cool. I love stuff like that. So I got a couple books before they closed, but I definitely want to go back. So I got some gardening books and I got some cooking books. Okay, so the gardening books I got, this one is a month-by-month gardening in Pennsylvania book. So it's just like, you know, broken down by months, and there was a lot of these there. This one had a lot of really nice pictures and things, so I think Tony will enjoy this too. And then I got a book all about herbs. I thought this was cool. It says for garden, kitchen, home, and health. And this made me think like I kind of want to look to see next time if maybe they have like an essential oil book. Something, you know, that I could use to help me just like come up with different uses for my essential oils, stuff like that. There's tons of literature and things online for essential oils, but I don't know, it is too dark. It's so rainy out, that's why. I just thought maybe the library would have something too, which would be really fun. Alright, and then I got this one. It's like a cookbook slash gardening book. It's called Grow, Cook, and Eat, a food lover's guide to vegetable gardening. It has 50 recipes, and then it has like harvesting and storage tips as well. I'm excited for this one, and again, very, very beautiful, beautiful photography, which always sells me. Well, it didn't sell me because it was free, because it's a public library. And then I got these two cookbooks. This one cracked me up. It's called Hungry Girl, Clean and Hungry Obsessed. It's all natural recipes for the foods you can't live without. I am a foodie. I love food so much. Like, I love food, and I want to be healthy though, which obviously like that's a problem because a lot of the really good fatty yummy foods are not good for you. So this has all these recipes that are under 375 calories. If I find one, or if I find any that I really like, I will totally share them with you guys. Again, this is called Hungry Girl, Clean and Hungry Obsessed, so I'm excited for that. And then this one is kind of random because I don't even have an Instant Pot, but it's called Instant Pot Italian. I've just been like intrigued by Instant Pots. I don't know. I don't have one, like I said. I have a crock pot, and I'm like, I don't really get the difference. Like I know the difference, but like I don't know. I don't get it. But I'm intrigued. Like I'm tempted to get one and see. I've heard great things. I don't know. If you have an Instant Pot, like share like what are the differences in the crock pot, the benefits of having an Instant Pot. I don't know. I thought it was interesting, and I'm Italian and I love Italian food, so maybe this will entice me to get an Instant Pot. I don't know. Okay, so I am at Giant right now. It is pouring rain, and I have to park really far away when I have the truck. So my hair's already like blah from the rain from walking. I didn't have to walk that far to the library, but like, I don't know, a little bit from where I parked, but I'm kind of just like stalling. But I need to get the pizza dough. I don't think we're gonna grill the pizza, which is part of like the fun part of it, but because it's raining, I think we're just gonna do it on like the pizza pan that we have in the oven like normal people. But I do want to try grilling it. Like that does look really fun, the thing I saw on Pinterest. So I forget if I told you, but like we're doing a mozzarella basil tomato pizza. I can't wait to do this when we have tomatoes from our garden. We are using basil from our garden, but we don't have tomatoes yet. So I have all of the ingredients, I just don't have the pizza dough. So I'm gonna run in here and get that. Tony texted me, he said he was home already. So once I get this, I'm just heading home, and I am starving. So I think we're gonna start cooking probably as soon as I get home. Step 1. Stretch dough. You think I can throw it?
Don't.
I vacuum today. If it falls, it'll fall on clean.
No, it won't. We have animals.
Oh! Pizza dough from a pizza place is much better. This stuff's crap. Not gonna lie. Alright. So now we're gonna get our sauce. That's enough, right?
Once you get to the edges, that's plenty.
Okay. I'm gonna put some of this on as like a base. Don't need to, you could just use the sliced mozzarella, but we like cheese. Go in for, I forget how long, but it's for 450 degrees. That's not the right paper. It says 12 minutes until cheese melts and crust turns brown. So, or it might take a little longer, but 450 degrees, 12-ish minutes until the cheese melts, the crust gets brown, and it looks good. So I'm gonna put this in now, and we'll check on it in a little bit. Who's that pretty girl? Look at her, she looks majestic. Dixie! Hi!
She's looking at the door.
Pizza just came out. It looks pretty good, except we realized we should have put fresh basil on instead of doing it before, but now we just have double basil, so it's fine. You want to cut into it, Tony? Looks good. Alright guys, so that is it for today's vlog. I'm going to go enjoy this pizza with Tony and wrap up our night, probably with watching something on Netflix. We shall see. It is Friday, so we have the weekend ahead of us, and I don't know what we're doing. I do know. We're trying to... Yeah, I want to try to get Dixie on the kayak tomorrow. I think I mentioned that already though. Alright guys, if you are not subscribed, please do that below. Also comment and like this video, and I will catch you in my next one. And it is really hot because of this pizza. Woo-wee!